All right, so as you can tell by the title of this video, man, the couch flipping guide is finally done. If you've been following me on social media for the last month or two, I've been trying out this new side hustle. That's basically been banking me in anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a week, flipping used furniture part-time. It's probably the most straightforward side hustle business idea I've probably ever heard of. This is why I took interest in this and told y'all a couple months ago I was gonna be creating a course, a guide, step-by-step training to help you go and do this, either spare time to pay some bills or full-time. Basically what we're doing is finding free furniture, couches, sofas, love seats, sectionals, all that stuff. Finding them for free on Marketplace, Offer, Craigslist, picking them up, doing a little basic cleaning to them, then reselling them for profits on the same exact platform. And like I said, doing this, over the weekends, because I don't even have my own pickup truck, but I've got different options and I'll show you how to do that if you don't have your own pickup truck, and basically pull in anywhere from 500 to 1,000 plus per week. Doing this, Friday, Saturday, and Sundays for maybe 2 or 3 hours a day. So if you're interested in, starting this side hustle, you only need a partner, a place to store these couches, and a pickup truck. I'll show you how to get all these different things, different options. You can literally start this business for as little as $0. Right here is the members area to the course. As you can see right now, at the time at the start of this side hustle launch, it's 25 videos in here, 4 different modules. As you see, I got the start here. This is pretty much the step-by-step, the A through Z. Got some case studies I'm going to keep adding to, some bonuses, the affiliate program. So while you're doing, flipping couches and getting results, you can actually share your results and promote the course at the same time. So you basically turn one hustle into two by promoting the affiliate program. You get 50% commissions on the course, payout weekly. So yeah, if you watching this fall of 2021, this is the perfect time to hop on it while almost nobody even know about this side hustle. Super low competition and super profitable. Purchasing the course actually comes with the private student group. So right here, you can post your results, your pickups, your profits, your questions, concerns, anything, man. I want to build like a real engaging community where we pretty much help each other out in an extra source of income or replacing your full-time job. And right now you can get access to this whole entire couch flipping guide for only $37, one-time fee, and you're pretty much good to go. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this side hustle, man, leave it in the comment section down below. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside.